everybody, welcome to our very special episode on Plié For The People. Today I'll be giving an intermediate level online ballet class. And where I'm at right now is at a beautiful retreat in the Ellenville, New York mountains. Let's begin.
I just absolutely love nature. It's so soothing for the soul and it's so good for you. And as a dancer, sometimes I dream of having an outdoor space where I can just take class and dance at the bar. Maybe one of these days, I can only wish and dream. And today, let's begin with plie, and our level will be intermediate. And I hope you really enjoy today's class. Plie will start in first prep and 2 plies and 3 and 4 and 1 plie. We go down and 7 and 8 half quarter roll forward, looking underneath the 7 and a little tendu to the side, 6 drop through the middle, stay in your second. There you go. And 2 plies in second, and we go 1 roll plie, 7 and half quarter bra forward, just keep upper back bends and leading it into a back quarter bra 6, 7 into your 4th. Plie, stretch, let's tendu, fold, 6, 7, from the jump, stay, tendu back, stay, and arch, 3 to the side, we bend away to the foot, 7 in 5th. In 5th, 2 plies, 1 round forward and back, and it's under susu. And finish. Starting in first 2 dummy, 1 round, half, with the tendu, drop through second, and then similar idea the second, just going to the back. 4th, 1 plie, 2 plies, 4 stretch, back stretch, side stretch, and then 5th, 2 dummies, 1 round, forward, back, and suzu. And stay nice and tight first. Keep your toes on the floor here, nothing pops up. And heels also on the floor right now. Plie for 2, now we grand plie. Now the heel lifts. Half and half, forward and back, and stand taller and arch. Tendu side and lift. A side stretch. Drop to the middle. Adjust that inner foot if you need to. Plie for 2 here in second. Lift 2. Wrong, plie, down, and up. With the music, we go forward and back. Arm is down and up. Return into your 4th and up 2. Toes going way to the side. Tendu front, bend. Pour your heart over that front knee here. From the jump, lift and arch. And a quarter round jump to the side. Going away. Closing in 5th. That means for 2. 1. Make sure that front heel is on the floor. We grand plie. Inner thighs pressing forward. Beautiful. Heels down before you come up. Forward stretch. Reach that one up. And arching to the back. You're ready to come to your suzu here. Quick stay. And let's finish. Nice job. Second side. And up. And just plie for 2. We grand plie. You're ready for your bends, mini bends. Breath. And back. Tendu side. Bend to the bar. And drop through the middle. Adjust. Second plie. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Bronze plie. Come on up. And we go forward. And lift and up. And arm down up. Return into your 4th. Plie. back lift. Little weight on that back toe here. Carry to the side. Maintain your turnout before we stretch over to that tendu foot. Nice. Close fit. Plie and stretch. Last plie and stretch. Grand plie. Return forward and back. Here we go. Over and up. High waist. Up. And brief balance in Susu. And let's finish in fifth. Tendu from first. We go one slow front tendu and close. 3 quicks, accent into the side. Reverse to the back and in. Second part of cloche, front, back, and up, front, and back. Close first, accent in. 4, 2, second with plie. I'm going to reverse it all from the back. Tendu, close, and 3 to the side. 1 slow front, 3 to the side. We go back, we go front, we go back, we go front. First and in with plie. Let's try it all in as just stretch forward, come up, going to the back, come up, and rise. Find your balance, releve, and we finish right there. So 1 and a 2 and 3 to the side and back, and 6 and 7 and 8. Sure music. 7 and 1 front. Out, close. Side, side, side. Back, close. Side, side, side. Brush front, brush back. Front, back. Close first. In, plie. Reverse. Back, first. Side, side, side. Front. Pull up the muscles around your knees to really stretch the knees. 2, 3, 4. Standing taller on the supporting hip. Plie. Rotate in and stay and stretch. Rolling up. Nice and gentle. Let's lift and arch. Return. Turn it out. Let's plie, force arch, releve, and stay. Hold it until the end. Let's musically finish our combination. Stay talking first, looking over that right shoulder. Good. Let's try our second side. And 3, pair. And 1, tendu front. 3, side, side, side. Back, and a side, side, side. Front, back, front, back. First, in and in plie. Reverse. Back, first. Close, close, close. Front, and in. To the back, to the front, to the back, to the front. First and side, side with plie. Stretching time. Forward, going for a dive. And slowly come on up and to the back. Don't press your hips forward. Stay tall here. Up. Alignment is really important. Plie. Take your time to stretch out your arch. And up. And maintain that turnout. Squeeze your glutes. Work those turnout muscles. And let's plie here. And gather and finish. Tendu from fifth. Let's go. 1 front. Inside coupe change. Side. Same foot. Coupe changes. Back. Inside foot. Side. Outside foot. Repeat. Tendu. Coupe change. Side. Coupe change. Back. Inside coupe change. Side. Outside coupe change. After you do that twice through, we go tendu once each way, cloche for 2. Back and side and front to the back to the front. Repeat. And 2 and 1 push and push, back and side and back and front. Stay in front with quarter bra side. We stretch to the side, going around, step through fourth. Turn to your second side, reverse your quarter bra while you're presenting your tongue in front. 7 and 8. Let's reverse it all on the left, quarter bra, and going through your fourth before you turn, face your apparatus through the ballet bar, going through second, come on back to the first side, then reverse your quarter bra, 7 and 8. Pull it into a high susu, find your balance, maybe even lift into your coupe front, balance, and that's all. Yeah, so starting with front coupe change and side same coupe, back coupe change and side coupe. Do that once more. Then front and side and push, back and side and push. Repeat that one more time. Staying to the front, circle, reverse circle on the left, circle on the left, reverse circle on the right. Gather into your susu balance and stay. Let's give it a go. Here we go. Tendu front, tendu, change, side, change, back, change, side again, front, change, side, change, back, change, side, second part. 1, 1, push, back, side, push, repeat, front, side, back, and push, back, side, stay on in front, circular, quarter bra, side, around to the back, step to the fourth, and turn. I can feel the rain outside. If you hear some noise, it's because it's raining outside. Don't be alarmed, step, really pouring out. Side, going down. Okay, find your balance in susu. Stay. Hold. Maybe in coupe. Nicely done, dancers. And let's wrap it up there. Good. Shake your legs out. Let's try our second side. Left side prep. And tendu coupe change. Side same coupe. Back coupe change. Side coupe. Front inside. Side outside. Back inside coupe. Side coupe change. Second part. Front. Side. Push. Back. Side and push. In. Push. Last side. Stay to the front. Stepping through your fingers before you go around. Open side. And left. Or the right side now. Step through your fourth, going through second and open. Beautifully done. Let's come into your susu balance. Good. And let's finish here. Nicely done. Degagé from fifth, we brush. 2 to the front and 2 to the back. Single 1 and switch and 1 and switch. 4 to the side, 3 and 4. 1 first, 1 inside first, 1 outside first, and cross back. Now you're ready to reverse it to the back. 2 to the back, 2 inside front. Alternate. 4 dégagés. Outside foot, switch. Repeat. Bum. 4 to the side. You go. A first, a fifth, and 2. Maybe even do your quarter. Cross the second set, and a 1, and a 5, 7, and 8. Let's bring it up to a susu. Take another balance and finish. And brush front, 2 brush side, front, back, and back. 4 to the side, outside first, and first, cross back. 2, switch back, front, 4 to the side, and 1, cross. Second set. Undo your quarter bra, you can leave it out. If it's too much, reverse it. Switch, 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 and switch. Find your susu, balance, and uphold. Good work, dancers. Let's try our second side. Prep and to the front, to the back. Switch, switch, flip and forward. Outside, inside, outside, cross and the back. Front, forward. First and first, cross, fit, set, and set. And plie, susu, find your balance, hold. I'm really breathing here, because that's very cardio for me. And let's finish right here, in fifth, bravo. We're on the jambe. Let's begin with plie, attitude front, carry side, carry it back, extend arabesque, plie front, send it to the back, just the upper body again, around. We go 5, rond de jambe, à terre, 1 more, plie front, through the back. Let's reverse plie, attitude back, carry side, carry front, extend. Plie around to the front, just the upper body, same quarter rock, horse, belly bar, for your apparatus. 5 on the gong, 3, 4, 5. Plie back in arabesque through passe double plie front. Today I'm going to take a quarter bras forward on susu, quarter bras back. Release that inside foot back, lunge all the way, stretch, come on up. Replace closed fifth, passe the outer foot, diving into your leg hold, and stretch it out in a penché, and then up and finish with your right foot back in fifth, okay? So starting with attitude, 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 extend, plie, back, a little quarter bras, break, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, send the front to the back. Reversing it, on susu forward, back, lunge, stay, passe, leg hold, penché, lift, and finish. And I'm going to be demonstrating on an angle. You do space, front attitude, carry side, lifting that heel, keep it turned out, extend, plie, carry back, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, last, plie front, send it to the back, attitude plie, carry side, carry back, front, lift, plie back, around, same quarter, and 5. Simply arabesque, through passe, susu gather, forward. Keep your weight forward here, good. To the back. Release, Fondu the inside foot back, lunge, hold, stretch out. Same time. Up. And let's penché over, holding onto your leg. Good. Good. And let's finish. Beautifully done, dancers. Let's try our second side. Prep. Here we we go. Attitude to the front. Lifting to the side. Lifting it to the back. Extend. Plie. Back. Forward. 5. 1. Front, send it to the back. Reverse. Attitude. Stay. To the front. Susu up and stretch, lunge. Feeling your hip flexors really opening here. Take your time. And gather return. And lifting your left foot. And pushing over. And finish. Nice. Frappe. Let's keep it a little simpler. Let's do prep 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, side, 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 side. Reverse, side, front, side, back, side. A 1, 2, 3. Releve front, basically 6 frappes each way. Then let's do side. Let's do step, step, step. Could change. Reverse back, side, front, side, back, side, and little pricks, little pickups in coupes. That's all. And then let's just find a balance with the inside foot back in coupe. So let's review. Front, side, back, side, front, side, 3 to the side. Back, side, front, side, back, side, 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 side. Releve. Front, side, back, side, front, side, coupe, coupe, coupe. Sorry. Coupe front, coupe back, coupe front change. Then back, side, front, side, back, side, coupe back, coupe front, coupe change. And then find your balance with the inside foot back. And that's all. Get ready, dancers. It's going to start right away. And front, side, back, side, front, side, 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 side. Reverse. Turn, hold it. Back, side, 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 side. Take a releve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and coupe change. Reverse. Side, front, side, back, side, coupe back, and change. Inside foot, balance. And let's complete our frappe combination right there. Another tarantella. Let's try our second side. Left side. Go front, side, back, side, front, side. 3. Reverse. Stay, 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 stay. Irrelevant. And change. And change and balance. Let's finish. We're going to do a quick fondue combination starting extend to the side, fondue to the front, close it. Side, fondue to the arabesque and the fondue inside front, fondue inside front. The third one higher and on releve. Take a balance and down. reverse, out, fondue, arabesque, and together. Out, fondue, to the front, and inside fondue back, twice on flat. The third time, taking it into an arabesque, susu back, détourné. Left side right away. Out, fondue, to the front, out, fondue, to the back. Inside fondue, or two, lift on releve, balance. Fondue, to the back, and out, fondue, to the front, and inside, back, fondue, lift. Releve, détourné, and finish. And prepare. Extend to the side, fondue, to the front. Fifth, extend, fondue, to the back. Close, fondue, inside front. Again. On releve. Reverse out, fondue, arabesque. Degagé, fondue, to the front. Fondue, inside back. Now, dancers, so get ready to détourner to the second step right away. Here we go. Out, fondue, to the front. Out, fondue, arabesque. Inside to the front. Take it on releve. And reverse. Last step. With releve. And finish. Rumbama, really simple. A front, a side, a back, a side, front, a side, back through détourné. Left front, a side, back, a side, front, a side, back, cloche front, susu turn. And then let's reverse it. Back, a side, front, a side, back, a side, front, cloche back, détourné away. Back, a side, front, battement side, battement back, battement side, battement front, cloche back. And that's all. And then we take a bow. That's our class. Here we go. One each way. Side, to the back, side, front, side, back, cloche front, turn, left hand, détourné, reverse. Reverse, back. And that's all. Beautiful job today, dancers. Thank you so much for coming to ballet.
Great job today, dancers. I hope you really had a wonderful class. Be sure to support us by subscribing, give us a like, write to us in the comments, and I hope to see you again. Bye.